Hi, everybody. Welcome to the show.
Hey everybody, so today we're doing some peanut math. Alexi and I have been playing this game out on the front deck in the afternoon when she has her quiet time. We've been putting out some cards, different cards with different numbers, and then she's got to count up the peanuts to match the number on the card, right? So, you want to play?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Let's play.
So if you're wondering what we use for 1, we use the ace for the 1. So Alexi knows that when she sees the A, that's a 1.
How about we should have another A for the 1? For the 2. Oh, there's a 2. I found a 2.
You found a 2?
Yeah.
So what I do is I just put the cards around the deck. I don't necessarily put them in numerical order. So we just kind of make some little stations. And Alexi has to find the station, the card, and match up the numbers. Alexi, how come you dumped a whole bunch of peanuts there to start? Did you know it was a lot?
Yeah, because it's 10.
It's 10, okay.
So I need to get the right number.
So you just got a whole bunch out, I guess, to start, eh? Because you knew you were going to end up having quite a bit. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A ball.
Alexi has very specific peanut criteria. She likes the double ones. Okay, count.
Oh, you have 2.
You got too many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.
Right on. There's 5. How many do you need here, Alexi?
4.
4. How many do you have there?
1, 2, 3.
And you need 4, so you add
4.
Yeah, 1 more. So 3 plus 1 equals 4.
Done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Was that fun, Alexi?
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!